Let's start with the name of Allah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum student. It's Mathematics Lecture 3 of 3rd term for Class 1. Today we learn multiplication of 2's and 3's. Let's start with counting in 2's. When we count in 2's, we skip a number and jump to another number. Here is a bunny who skipped number 1 and jumped to the number 2. Then it skipped the number 3 and jumped to the another number 4. Then it skipped a number 5 and jumped to the next number 6. Then it skips a number 7 and jumps to the next number 8. It skips the number 9 and jumps to the number 10. Then after skipping a number, where it jumps on the number 12, it skips a number 13 and jumps to the number 14. On page 88, we have a question. Count in 2's and fill in the missing numbers. When we start counting with 6, we skip a number 7 and write 8 here. Then skip a number 9, 10 is written. Skip a number after 12, 13 and write 14. Skip a number after 16 and write 18. Now, when we start with the number 32, we skip a number 33 and write 34. Skip a number 35 and write 36. Skip a number after 40, we will write 42. Skip a number 43 and write 44. Now on page 89, we have a question. Take the even number and circle the odd numbers. Remember, even numbers are number in 2's and even numbers are end in 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Odd numbers end in 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Here we have some numbers. We take the even number and circle the odd number. Now, let's find the number 6. It is the number in 2's, so it is an even number. We take it. And the number 33 and in the number 3, so it is an odd number. We circle it. And the number 40 and in the number 0, we take it. The number 59 and in the number 9, so it is an odd number. We circle it. Number 63 and in the number 3, it is an odd number. We circle it. And number 18 and in the number 8, it is a even number. Yes, we take it. Now, with the help of skip counting, it is easy to learn the table of 2. Here we have a mouse who have 2 ears. Number of ears are 1 2's are 2. And when we have 2 mice, their number of ears are 2 twos are 4. If there are 3 mice, their number of years are 3 twos are 6. If there are 4 mice, their number of years are 4 twos are 8. And if there are 5 mice, their number of years are 5 twos are 10. Now, on page 96, after learning the table of 2, we can answer 6 twos are 12 and 8 twos are 16. Now we do a word problem. 2 children each hold 2 balls. How many balls altogether? Here we have 2 boys, 1 and 2. Both hold 2 balls. We multiply the number 2 and 2. 2 twos are 4. Now we learn counting in threes. Counting in threes is similar to the counting in twos. Counting in threes, we skip 2 numbers and jump to the third number. Like this bunny who skipped the number 1 and 2 and jumped to the number 3. Then it skips the number 4 and 5 and jump to the number 6. Then it skips the number 7 and 8 and jump to the number 9. After skipping 2 numbers 10 and 11, it jumps to the number 12. Then skipping 13 and 14, it jumps to the number 15. After skipping 2 numbers 16 and 17, it jumps to the number 18. With the help of skip counting in threes, we can do this problem. Start with the number 3. We skip 2 numbers 4 and 5 and write 6 here. Then after 9, skip 2 numbers 10 and 11 and write the third number, which is 12. Skipping number 16 and 17, we write 18 here. After learning counting in threes, it is easy to learn the table of 3. Here we have a clover. It has 3 leaves. 3 ones are 3. If there are 2 clovers, their number of leaves are 2 multiply 3. 2 threes are 6. And if there are 3 clovers, their number of leaves are 3 threes are 9. And if we have 4 clovers, each has 3 leaves, then their number of leaves are 4 multiply 3. 4 threes are 12. And if there are 5 clovers, then their number of leaves are 5 threes are 15. After learning the table of 3, we can answer on page 98. 8 threes are 24 and 7 threes are 21. Now we solve how many wheels on 4 tricycles. Here is 1 tricycle, 2, 3 and 4. In each tricycle there are 3 wheels. We multiply it with 4 tricycles. So we get 12 wheels in 4 tricycles. Now it's time for homework. Complete page 88, 89 question 3, 96, 97 question 1 and 98 question 4. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.